training on how to put a link inside of TikTok and how to share your link or your TikTok profile to people in the community. So first we want to open up TikTok. I'm on my other account, which is different from my primary account. If I click edit and scroll down to add link, I can't add a link because I don't have enough followers. I only have 13 followers. But if I switch over to my other account, so if I grab the top and go to my Work Less Better Pay, which is my digital marketing account, as you can see, I have a lot of followers. So when I hit edit screen and come down to link, I'm able to put in my link to go to my domain. So once you get enough to go live, you can get that clickable link and add it. To share your profile to people that are in the digital growth community, to get them to follow you, to grow your following list, you would click share profile and you would copy this link. Once it's copied, then you can go over to digital growth. And now we have our link copied. This is where you want to post inside the digital growth community to get everybody, because we have 50,500K members in this community, to get them to follow you on your TikTok account. Once they follow you on the account, that'll grow your followers from 0 to 800 to 1,000 very quickly, so you can get that clickable link. All you do is in the class or in the general page here, you just go to social media. You come up here and type title, and you put please follow me. And then I have a new TikTok account. Please click my link. And then you paste in your link that you copied. By providing the link instead of the at Work Less Better Pay _Laura, this is quicker for your friends or the people inside our community to get access to your account faster. A lot of people just put in the at work. Oops, I can't spell Work Less Better Pay _Laura. As you know it is, this is not a clickable link, but this link I can click on it.